Is your furnace not doing its job anymore? Do you find yourself shivering indoors despite cranking up the thermostat? Did you get a repair quote that made your jaw drop? If you nodded along to any of these questions, it might be time to consider getting a new furnace. This video guides you through what to expect when you're in the market for a new furnace. Hi, I'm Bobby Johnson representing Golden Rule. Over the years, we've installed countless furnaces across central Iowa. Deciding to replace your current furnace can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll tackle some of the most common questions about buying a new furnace, like who should think about getting a new furnace? Should you repair or replace your furnace? What are the benefits of getting a new furnace? How much does it cost to get a new furnace installed? And finally, what should you do next? By the time this video wraps up, we aim to have answered all of your questions and set you on the path to finding the perfect furnace for your home. Deciding whether to invest in a new furnace or hope your current one lives along a little longer can be nerve-wracking. A tune-up or repair might be all you need if your existing furnace is still under warranty. Getting a new furnace might be the smarter financial move if your system's seen better days or requires hefty repairs. Some signs that it's time to swap out your furnace include you're getting hit with a higher than usual energy bill, or your home could be more comfortable. Your furnace has seen over 10 winters. You're dealing with issues like weak airflow, uneven heating, odd noises, or strange smells. You plan on sticking around in your home and want to ramp up the comfort while lowering those utility costs. If any of this sounds familiar, it's time to consider a new furnace. Most modern furnaces with some TLC can hang in there for at least a decade or more. Sometimes one of the major parts goes kaput and repairing it can be a wallet drainer. For instance, in gas furnaces, you're looking around $7,000 to $9,500 for a single or two-stage gas valve, and up to $11,000 for the fancy modulating systems. If you need to replace the blower motor, basic ones can cost $1,400 to $1,700, while variable speed motors can cost you up to $1,900. Now, swapping out a heat exchanger is a labor-intensive job. If it's under warranty, you might be looking at cost around $2,400, but if the warranty is gone, it could climb up to $4,000 in repairs. So what are the advantages of getting a new furnace? Getting a shiny new furnace has its benefits, such as less stress dealing with an old, finicky system, better efficiency and lower monthly bills, a toastier home, a long-term warranty, quieter operation, and the list goes on and on. Knowing these benefits can help you make up your mind, but remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer regarding your heating systems. The only way to know the exact cost of a furnace installation is to arrange a home estimate with the seasoned pro at Golden Rule. We offer free, no-pressure estimates tailored to your home, comfort needs, and your budget. At Golden Rule, our estimates cover everything from equipment to labor and any extra expenses. There are many factors that go into the cost of a new furnace, like the unit's size and capacity, its efficiency rating, any needed ductwork changes, optional add-ons such as humidifiers, labor cost, permits, and a few more. Gas furnaces come in two main categories based on their efficiency, standard and high efficiency. For a mid-level 80% efficient furnace, you're looking at between $6,000 and $10,000. If you want a high efficiency furnace with an efficiency rating above 90%, the price range is between $7,000 and $11,000. Choosing to get a new furnace is a big decision. It's a significant financial investment that will affect indoor comfort for the next decade. For more information on furnaces and heating options, click the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.